What if the oil used to fry your favorite meal isn't just making your food crispy, but could also be slowly harming your heart, liver, and blood vessels? Welcome to this episode of Afro Health. Today, we're exposing one of the most overlooked public health risks in our homes, restaurants, and street food markets: repeatedly used cooking oil. Fresh cooking oil is relatively stable when used properly, but every time it is heated to high temperatures, especially during deep frying, it begins to break down. Heat, oxygen, and moisture from the food trigger chemical reactions that produce harmful compounds such as oxidized fats and aldehydes. These substances can increase inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Over time, regularly eating food fried in degraded oil may contribute to heart disease, high blood pressure, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and fatty liver disease. Some research also suggests that long-term exposure to these compounds may increase the risk of some cancers. Across many African communities, street food is an important source of affordable meals and income. But because fresh cooking oil can be expensive, the same oil is sometimes used from morning until night or even over several days. Some vendors simply add fresh oil to old oil, making it look cleaner while harmful breakdown products remain. This also happens in some households, where leftover frying oil is stored and reused for fish one day and snacks later in the week. This is not only an African problem. Around the world, repeated oil use occurs wherever monitoring is lacking. In many well-managed restaurants, oil quality is routinely checked and replaced according to food safety guidelines. However, where proper monitoring is lacking, consumers may still be exposed to degraded oil. Watch for the warning signs. Oil that is very dark, thick, foamy, sticky, has a burnt smell, or produces excessive smoke has likely degraded. Protect your family by limiting deep-fried foods, using fresh oil whenever possible, and choosing vendors with clean practices. Healthier methods such as steaming, boiling, grilling, baking, or air frying can also help reduce health risks. Saving money by reusing cooking oil may seem harmless, but the hidden cost could be your health. The next time you reach for yesterday's frying oil, take a moment to think about what's really in that pan. A healthier choice today could protect your heart, your family, and your future.